Isang malinaw na bagay that God is teaching me right now ay kung paano ko siya mas hahanapin pa. On how would I seek God through the Bible, through the situations na meron ako. And I'm really encouraged on this process, on these days, recent days, na ito yung nagiging focus ng buhay ko and how God is making it obvious. Sa Psalm na nabasa ko ngayon, sabi dito, sa Psalm 84, verse 10, better is one day in your courts than 1,000 elsewhere. I would rather be a doorkeeper in the house of my God than dwell in the tent of the wicked. So, I want this kind of heart, no? A heart worth imitating, na where does my desire belong? Ano yung dinidesire ko kapag nandito ako sa lugar na to, nandito ako sa sitwasyon na to? Do I desire na magkaroon or nasa magandang lugar palagi? And I really appreciate this psalmist. And sinasabi nga din sa kanta na yung kanta na better is one day in your courts, better is one day in your house. Better is one day in your courts than 1,000 elsewhere. Diba? It's reasonable to think and to remind ourselves, nasan yung focus natin when it comes to our desires. Gusto ba nating, gusto ko makapunta sa ibang bansa, pero do I really desire that more than ang ingay? Chuchi, quiet. Going back, do I really desire na yung mga ganong desire na makapunta sa ibang bansa more than to spend the time on a place where God is there? And ako share ko na din last na this recent days, I really am having a quality prayer time itong mga nakarang araw. And that's a place and a time where I enjoy God's presence. And ayun, yun yung gusto kong mas i-crave, mas i-desire ko sa buhay ko as the day goes by. And yun lamang po, yung seeking God, especially sa Matthew chapter 6, last 2 verses. Seek ye first the kingdom of God. Seek first the kingdom of God, and all these things will be given to you as well. There's a lot to seek God. And yun naman po. Have a great day. And may you have a blessed week ahead of our time, our lives. Maraming salamat po. To God be all the glory. Isang normal na Kristiyano na nagmamasid sa Biblia at kapaligiran para mas madaming matutunan. Let's go.